Hello guys, Javier here, Toyota Santa Maria, making another video on my TRD Pro 2021 Tundra. On my last video, you couldn't really see it because it was dark, but this is what the stance looks like. Kind of like it because it's evened out. These it took me a long time for me to figure what tires I wanted. So I went with these tires, the Toyo tires with the open country. These tires are 295s, 70 R18s. I didn't want to change anything with the bumpers. I didn't want to rub, and I wanted a good ride. So I ended up going with these tires. They do not rub at all, and they look good. I was gonna get the BFG all-terrains, but they're pretty old tires. You know, everybody has them. I wanted something beefier, something that wasn't even loud on the freeway either. So I got the RTs, rough terrain, and these are pretty good, and they're not loud on the freeway. Quality's good, there's no vibration. I don't notice a whole lot in gas mileage. I don't think it affected it. I mean, maybe a little bit, but I really don't notice it. But yeah, for those of you that have TRD Pros and want to know what kind of size tire, I would go with this size if you don't want to, you know, hit the fenders or any, you know, no modifications. The only thing I did do is I did get an inch and a half in the front and an inch in the back, because I went with the what's it called, westcott suspension, the lift suspension, and I gotta tell you, I'm happy with it. Looks good, and totally recommend it for anybody that's gonna do a TRD Pro Tundra, or just a Tundra, Tacoma, or 4Runner. Westcott Designs lift kit, I'd say, changed the way this thing looks, and getting the beefier tires, I'm happy with the whole setup. That's the man right there that helped me do it, Jose Pompa, of course, here at Toyota Santa Maria. These are some of the Tundras that we have. Thank you for watching.